Hi guys, and welcome to Empower Carpet Cleaning and Coaching. Have you ever pondered on the prospect of owning your own profitable carpet cleaning business? Maybe imagine being your own boss, setting your own hours, and reaping the rewards of your own hard work. Sounds exciting, doesn't it? Starting this business is an achievable and profitable venture. It's a very relatively easy, low-cost setup that could see you up and running within a matter of weeks. Of course, every successful business venture requires careful planning and execution. So before we delve deeper into some of the more important first steps, I think it's important that you get to know me and a little bit more about my background. So let me introduce myself. My name is Michael Gomez. I have a carpet cleaning business now for over 27 years and still currently operating a very successful business here in Australia. I not only own my own business, but I have worked alongside many other reputable carpet cleaning companies, gaining a large wealth of knowledge and experience in the industry, and in turn also helped others to get set up and started in their own carpet cleaning businesses. So this made me very proud and gave me much pleasure to see others do well from what we had achieved, and now was able to be in a position to be able to give and share my knowledge and experience with others. When I left high school, my dream was to someday just run my own business. I didn't care what it was. I guess I just liked the sound of it. However, we all know Rome wasn't built in a day, so I tried my hand at other jobs, from concreting with my father to starting my own window cleaning business on the weekends for some extra cash. But the experience in doing so was amazing, really. When I look back, it really helped me to come out of my shell, and I was able to now communicate much easier with people in general. And that was my first taste of owning my own business. I think you could say the business bug bit me pretty hard. I then went on to selling fruit with my uncle from a big semi-trailer on the side of the road, and then finally running and operating a very busy housekeeping laundromat for a very busy hotel. Then my girlfriend and I, at the time, who now is my beautiful wife, decided to start our very own carpet cleaning business. This comprised of 5 vans and 5 carpet cleaning technicians. Right now, that's enough about me. Let's start your journey. When you own your own carpet cleaning business, here is a list of 10 professional services you can offer your customers. The opportunity of owning a carpet cleaning business. Chapter 1. Carpet cleaning research, planning and market understanding. Step 1. Research and planning. A successful carpet cleaning business starts with a solid plan. Understanding the market, identifying the target customers, and study your competition. Knowing what you're up against will always give you that competitive edge. Chapter 2. Training and skill acquisition. Step 2. Get the right training. While carpet cleaning might seem straightforward, there's more to it than meets the eye. It's not really rocket science, however, there is a science behind it. Invest time in acquiring the necessary skills and knowledge. There are numerous courses available that equip you with the know-how to clean carpets effectively and safely. Chapter 3. Use good quality carpet cleaning equipment. Step 3. Purchase equipment and supplies. High quality cleaning equipment and products are crucial. However, Overcapitalizing on expensive equipment may not be the best outcome for somebody who's just starting out in the industry. You may want to consider buying a new or used quality portable carpet steam cleaning machine extractor, preferably one with a built-in heating system. Alternatively, truck-mounted carpet cleaning machine is a wonderful piece of equipment, but the running costs can become extremely expensive, especially when you consider the cost of fuel today. You need to take into consideration any business downtime or breakdowns and maintenance running costs. Lastly, you need to consider that if you are not mechanically minded, then it can become quite a daunting experience. Remember, the quality of your service will largely depend on the quality of your equipment. So don't buy equipment that looks like something that you can hire from your local hardware store. Your customers are not silly. Trust me, they will know the difference. Welcome to today's empowerment inspirational quote. Business opportunities don't just happen, you create them. Chapter 4. Register your carpet cleaning business. Step 4. Register your business. Once you're ready to start, it's time to make it official. Register your business with the Australian government, get an Australian business number, and ensure you meet all the legal requirements for running a business in Australia. Chapter 5. The importance of business insurance. Step 5. Get insured. This is an essential step that shouldn't be overlooked. Having insurance protects you and your business from potential lawsuits and unforeseen events. It's not just about protecting your business, but also about providing peace of mind to your clients. Chapter 6. Marketing and customer acquisition. Now that you're all set up, it's time to spread the word out that you're in business and you mean business. Effective marketing is the key to attracting new prospective customers. Utilize online platforms such as local advertisements and word of mouth to build your customer base. Starting a website is also very important, but could take some time getting up and running. So don't rely solely on this form of advertising at first. Chapter 7. The path to success in the carpet cleaning business. Step 7. To summarize, starting a carpet cleaning business involves careful research planning, acquiring the right training and equipment, registering your business, getting insured, and effective marketing strategies are the key factors. While it might seem like a lot to do, remember that every successful business started somewhere. Be persistent but patient at the same time. With dedication and a little bit of hard work, you could be on your way to owning a very profitable carpet cleaning business. So if you have ever dreamed of being your own boss, why not consider this opportunity? And don't forget that we are here to help you along the way with every necessary, invaluable, ongoing carpet cleaning, support and business coaching for the future success of your carpet cleaning business. So here at Empower Carpet Cleaning Coaching, we have the strategies and tactics to help you bulletproof any carpet cleaning business. Thank you for watching. Please make sure you like and subscribe for more valuable videos and content. Also, just mention you have subscribed and we will respond back to you.